Mhm.
Hello, everyone. This is another webinar from Tasta, and I'm very proud today that I can introduce you the company TalkPod. And we could win. I have with me here now Ferris. He's sales manager from TalkPod. And yeah, and Ferris, tell me, how are you doing?
Oh, great. How are you? Thank you.
Thank you,
And
thank you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
uh,
It was a
good
very,
to see you.
very, a very, very different year. How was the year for you, the 2020?
Uh, it's not bad, but we are trying to make every effort to grow up in our company. It's not a good year, but we can try hard to, yeah.
That is excellent. That's excellent news that it's moving forward and things are going to
Yes.
the right direction. And
Hmm.
so, Paris, yeah, it's let's come to the point that you have some devices and with you, and we would like to see them. And also, you prepared a presentation for us. So, um, Paris, are you here?
Let me, yeah, yeah, I'm here.
Good.
Um,
So, I would propose you share your screen and let's
yeah,
try doing that.
yeah. Oh,
Paris?
yes, I'm here. And right now, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. That is perfect.
Okay. Um, so first thing, let me introduce our company, TalkPod. Um,
Yeah.
yeah, this is our building, and we started from 2012, the TalkPod brand. We used to be an accessory producer. We produce the accessories for batteries, for chargers. But in 2012, we started to have our own brand of two-way radios. And start from 2012, we have our own Polk series.
Nice.
Um, yeah, and start from that, we have only the Linux system radios. And in the 2019, we have the Smart Series radios, which is based on Android device, Android system. It's like this one. This model is a screen model. It's a touch screen. So basically, it's like a mobile phone. We have different models, different types. For example, the non-keypad, limit keypad, and full keypad. And the top one is this one, a touchscreen. It's a three-inch touchscreen, and it works like a mobile phone. So, in most radios, they have a they only doesn't have a screen. And for Android, we have this one. So you can see it's working with Tasta, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as you know, it's like a mobile phone. It can make phone calls, uh, and you can make text or go to um, websites by using this one. But
Mm-hmm.
mostly we have this one is more professional because as you can see, most mobile phone Android device, those radios looks like a mobile phone, but we have a design still the same as the traditional radios.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
And and you have yeah so many different kind of devices I can see, right? So you have the one with yeah, bigger
yeah,
screen, smaller screen, and keypad, only small screen, without a screen. So it's a
yeah.
very wide range. Are all of them on Android and 4G?
Yes, they are all based on 4G and Android 9 system. And
Android 9. Okay.
this whole series um, is using the same PCB board. So they basically are the same model but different types, and they can use the same accessories, the batteries, they're using the same batteries. So if the customers, they use one model, they can use another model's batteries. So they don't need to buy many different accessories for these radios, because we have the same design, the same charger, the same batteries. This is one of the advantage of this series radios. And the second thing is that inside this radio, we have PTT store. We have PTT store, which is used for example, you have App Store in the Apple phone, right? And this PTT store is for the customers to upgrade Tasta, upgrade the latest version of the app. So they don't need a difficult process to install a new version app. By using this PTT store, the customers can easily upgrade the app.
Okay.
That's why, that's why we have this one. Yeah.
Nice. And it is like, can I understand that it is like similar, like a mobile device manager, or how can I do the administration of this PTT store?
It's true. It's like a mobile manager, because here is a app update. So if you have a new app version, you can deliver this one to us, and we can deliver this new app to the PT store, and the PT store can ask the permission from the customers if they would like to upgrade their app. Or as you can see, we have the non-keypad radio and non-screen. So sometimes if you would like to upgrade the app, it's very difficult because you need to connect to a computer. But with this app, in this kind of situation, it can directly upgrade the app. So but except that, we also have SOS app. It's like so this app is for man down. I think you have heard a man down because it's needed when if someone falls down and he needs to make an SOS to the dispatcher, to someone else. So this man down function, if a radio drops like this one, it will make an SOS message and send to the dispatcher. This is the SOS app for inside this radio.
Yes, you see, all the people who are listening to that, they know very well emergency and man down, and also no movement, because it's a lone worker protection, which we are certified as TASTA anyway. So it is fully available, same like push to talk, same like certified lone worker protection. So it's there and you can use it, and it's good that your devices are supporting it. Are the devices all coming with an emergency button?
Yes, with this here, it's in the top of this radio, and an orange color is more it's more clear when you want to press this button. It's easy to press because it's in the top. It's very easy to press here. So when if someone fall down like here, if he puts the radio like here, it's easy to press the SOS button, because usually there are many radios, their SOS buttons are in the side, and you have to press like this. It's more difficult. So if we put the SOS button here, because it's more professional and easy to press. So when there is an emergency, it's more as you know, in an emergency situation, time is very valuable. We have to save time. So it's more convenient and easy for this design. And also, if you are a police, you would like to send a PowerPoint of this model. This model is based on Android 9 system. We are using the NT6739 chipset. So it's based on Android 9 system. It's more secure. Use my screen. Hi, Kevin.
Yeah, I can see your screen. That's okay.
I think it's a little bit slow. So yeah. The camera here.
Yeah. Ferris, what are your plans for the future? I mean, the devices are on Android 9. When are they going to Android 10? And do you plan something with 5G maybe?
Actually, our plan is not in the Android system. Our plan is to have more. Our idea is a bigger screen, a full screen radio. Not like this one, but it's a bigger and full screen radio. Still based on the same model, but because this model still has only 2.4 screen, but we are having another one with a bigger screen. But for the system, you're right. We have some plans on the system because as you can see, there are many mobile phone manufacturers. They have their own designed system. They have own design system. So we want to have our own design by Talkpost system. For example, we can have our own UI for the model for this screen, and there will be many optional functions. For example, you can use some software, some apps to see some emergency information in the screen, or you can see the signal strengths. There are many different functions we are developing with this radio, and in future we are going to add NFC in the radio. This is our plan for next year. A bigger screen radio, full screen, without keypad, only a big screen radio. What do you think about this kind of device, a big screen radio?
I think it makes sense because many vendors are doing that, and this is the direction because it's about video, it's about information, and push to talk is something nice to have, but it is only a tool, and you need more resources. So camera is very important to get more information about the environment.
Yes, and in our another plan for the model is that a mobile radio.
Okay.
Because there are not many Polk Android mobile radio in the market yet, but it's there are many customers are requiring us to have this kind of model because they need an Android based and also a big screen because they need to watch the map when you are in the car. So a mobile radio is also in our plan for next year, and we already have the design, but it's still on the process.
Okay, so the picture which we saw is only a picture. Right now it's a excuse me.
But for the big screen radio, we have it. We have the 3D printed models already. In about 3 months, we will have the model. But for the bigger screen mobile radio, we'll need maybe half year. Yeah.
Okay.
This is our plan. Yeah.
That's a good plan to know for everyone that yeah, the people can also expect mobile unit for the in-car from your side,
yeah.
and a device with bigger screen, better camera, I believe. And what is the battery strength of that device?
For this 5 series is 1650. But it's based on 7.4 volt. It's different than the other manufacturers. They are using 3.7 voltage, but we are using the 7.4 voltage. So we also have high capacity batteries for this model.
Okay.
And yeah, because we have, for example, the multiple charger. So you can charge multiple batteries in the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah. And in the charger, we have a USB connector to charge the battery. We have micro USB battery to charge by using micro USB cable. It's different than the traditional radios by using the desktop charger. We have 2 ways,
yeah.
so the customer can choose which one they would like to use.
Yeah, I think that's a nice feature.
Yes, and also this radio can match most Bluetooth headsets, even the AirPods, because we have our own designed Bluetooth app inside the radio. This app is for matching to the integration to the Bluetooth headsets. We have combined most Bluetooth headsets into this radio. So if you use this radio, you can also use AirPods to connect to this radio. So you don't have to carry this radio when you are maybe in a car, in a motorcycle. So you can use the Bluetooth to talk. We have this kind of accessories too.
Okay.
And yeah. And this model is also CE FCC approved.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And yeah, if somebody want to have further information about your devices and want to purchase maybe some of them, how is the sales process usually working? How do you work? Do you work with partners, or they need to contact you directly or on the web page? Tell me, please.
For our company, we only works with our partners. So if the customers they would like to buy this kind of product, they can contact our partners, our dealers. There is a dealer list in our website. But if they are the partners, they can directly buy from us because we only sell to dealers who sell this kind of product to our customers. So we are looking for partners.
Okay.
We will work like this way. Yeah.
Excellent. And you have, I think, also partners in many places, right?
Yes, in Europe, in America, there are many partners too. But if not, they can directly contact us. We can handle the purchase.
Okay. Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Perfect.
Yeah, great.
So yeah, thank you for all the information and everything. And I believe if somebody is interested, okay, they are going to contact you or contact us, and we are going to forward them to you. Maybe they want to have the presentation again or something like that, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, again, thank you for your time. And if
Thank you.
yeah, if
We
everything
can
okay,
also,
so
um,
yeah.
yes, we can also forward our customer to you because we have some customers there. They need test with TalkPod too.
Yeah, excellent. I think we have a few projects together around the globe, and it is everything is integrated with your hardware, and it is working smoothly.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are looking forward to to a definitely better 2021 than
Oh,
2020.
true. Yeah.
Uh,
We need
and
to work harder for 2021. Yeah.
yes, yes, definitely. So thank you very much, Ferris. Stay safe and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Oh, thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank
Bye.
you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.